Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or apply a coupon onto your Shein account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start shopping. Now you can use various coupons during checkout time. So go ahead and fill up your cart first using the items that you wish to buy. Once your cart is ready, you can tap on the cart icon and then click on checkout in order to proceed with paying for your order. Now within the payment option, if you scroll down, you will see the apply voucher option. You can click on this and enter your coupon code within the apply voucher section, and once you type it in, click on the apply button and your coupon code will be applied right away. You can also click on the view more option in order to see various other discounts that you can get within your order. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply a coupon onto your order within the Shein application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.